Hey there, my name is Morgan Emmert. I am KBC Nebraska's training coordinator. Today we will talk about Canvas. Some of you may be listening and thinking, I already know how to use Canvas. Others may be thinking, what on earth are you referring to? Canvas is an online learning platform. Some colleges, like the University of Nebraska, use it for their online classes. Here at KBC, we use it for similar purposes. Throughout your time with KBC, you will use Canvas to complete trainings for TIPS-MAPP, as well as your ongoing licensing and hours. You may also choose to do your TIPS-MAPP roadwork online via Canvas. Since we have several training options available on Canvas, I want to ensure that you know how to use it. We will be going through the roadwork course as an example, but the information you'll learn will be applicable to any course you take on Canvas. When you enter a course, you'll notice that there are announcements at the very top of the screen, and there are different modules noted below. Each chapter in MAPP has its own module for roadwork. You must complete all items within that particular module before moving on to the next module. As you can see, you have to view a page, contribute, or submit an assignment to do the task. You will find your instructions noted below the item. So like here, it all says there what you have to do. You may also notice that there are green check marks along the sides of the page, like here. Those all note which items and tasks you have completed already. This red circle here notes that you have not yet completed all of Chapter 2 roadwork, and therefore would not be able to move on to Chapter 3 yet. Let's look then at how we'll submit an assignment. Let's go into this Chapter 2 feedback form. When you pull up an assignment, you will be given the due date, how many points, and how you can submit the assignment. You will also then receive the instructions for that particular assignment. You can notice here that there's a Submit Assignment button. When you click on that, it will take you to the actual submission. So with here, you notice that you can either upload a file, so if you were to type it in a Microsoft Word document, for instance, you could upload that file here. You can also just click on text entry and copy and paste your submission right into the post here. So this is your Chapter 2 feedback form that you will complete after next week's class. You will type in all of your comments, you'll answer all of the questions. Once you finish typing in your comments, you'll scroll down and you'll see that there is a Submit Assignment button. Click on that to submit. Now that we've submitted the assignment, you'll receive this page. You'll notice then that it says Submission has been submitted. You may also resubmit the assignment. Let's say you didn't quite get the whole assignment and you've been asked to redo it. This is where you will come back to redo the assignment. Let's say you forgot to put something in there and you wanted to submit it again. You can absolutely do that and resubmit the assignment by clicking that blue button. After you have read through the pages or completed your assignment, you will notice that there's a Previous button down here and there's a Next button. To advance, you may either click this Next button or you may scroll up to the top and you'll notice that there's MAPP right here. If you click that, it will take you to the course list. If you just click Next, it will take you to the next task that's within that particular module. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see what all you have left to do. There may be things that you actually have to contribute to, or just things that you have to read. As you're paying attention to this, you want to make sure that you're noting which pieces on here you have to do. And the green check marks will continue to keep your place as you go through. That is about the gist of what you need to know to be successful in Canvas. Now you know how to advance to the next module, how to complete tasks within a module, and how to submit an assignment. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Again, my name is Morgan, and I am the training coordinator here at KBC. My email is mmemmert@kbc.org, and my phone number is 402-707-0303. Your Canvas tutorial handout will also be helpful as you go into Canvas. Thanks for watching and happy learning!